Namaskar. Aging is a natural process that cannot be avoided. But our today's hectic lifestyle, our worry, tension, anxiety, our bad food habits, bad routines has escalated this aging process. People in their early 20s nowadays show signs of aging like graying of hair, wrinkles on skin, body aches and pains, backache and knee pain, and so on, and fatigue all the time, even though there is no medical condition to show that they are sick. Stress is a major cause of aging. Our mind and body are intertwined. Daily issues of home, problems in personal life, issues at office, all these things definitely increase the level of stress, and because of this it shows very much on your skin. So today I'm going to share one drink which will help you slowing down all these things and help you to rejuvenate and come with a good strength, good vigor in your life. This drink will help in rejuvenating your skin and slowing down your premature aging. This drink is called Indian gooseberry, that is amla drink. Indian gooseberry or amla has tremendous benefits on skin. It will help your skin to keep radiant, moisturized, and free from acne. Amla helps in preventing wrinkles and dry skin because it is loaded with vitamin C. Vitamin C also helps in development of collagen. Collagen improves skin health and prevents from sagging. So let's understand ingredients now. First, amla, Indian gooseberry, 200 grams. Palm or date jaggery, 300 grams. Dried ginger powder, 3 grams. Finely powdered cardamom and turmeric, 3 grams each. Now understand the method of preparation. Steam cook gooseberries, amla, and then de-seed amla, and then put it in the mixer to make a paste. Now extract the juice by adding water into it and squeezing it out. Again, add around 150 ml more water into that and again grind it to remove more juice. Now, jaggery should be broken into small pieces and should be boiled with 100 ml of water and made into a syrup. Mix this syrup with gooseberry juice and rest of the ingredients. Now, stir the solution and drink is ready. This drink has several benefits. It serves as an instant energy booster. It really instantly gives you so much energy that you feel so fit and fine. It is rich in antioxidants plus vitamin C, calcium, B complex and potassium. It promotes immunity and minimizes the effect of aging. People suffering from ulcer, acidity, heartburn, they are really benefited from this drink. Diabetics should avoid adding jaggery syrup. That sweetener should be out. They should take amla drink as it is. So, try this magical, nutrient-rich drink. Understand that just a healthy drink is not sufficient. You have to have a holistic approach in life. You should avoid getting into stress. See to it that you go for a walk regularly. Be with nature, which will keep you relaxed and happy. Try and see that you eat food regularly and a healthy food. And see that you laugh and make others laugh. When you laugh, quite a lot of wrinkles would actually reduce. You would really enjoy your life very well. So, take care of your health. Have a healthy routine, healthy food, and live a wholesome life. Namaskar.